Hevea Products, with you since 1991. A family business working in the vulcanization of high-quality polymers. We are the North American reference for bridge bearing pads, the only manufacturer on the continent licensed for the Ontario market. What do these pads provide? They protect infrastructures from vibrations caused by repeated impacts and micro-impacts. Their one-piece vulcanized rubber and steel construction offers first-class dissipative power. They are one of the most important components for infrastructure protection. This innovative technology has now been carried over to our Hevea Impact dock bumper. Similarly to our bridge-bearing pads, they dissipate the energy being transferred by the repeated impacts of trailer trucks docking at the loading docks. Their unique design, which also allows for shear work, offers unmatched protection for all your logistics facilities. Highly efficient Hevea Impact dock bumpers will preserve the integrity of your platforms. Their installation is easy, and the need for maintenance and repairs is minimal. Hevea Impact, the new standard, nothing less.